How to upload an invoice on the PorterGO mobile app. Open the app and click Submit Invoices. Click the plus sign to add your rate sheet. Click Scan Document. Take a picture of your rate sheet. Click the arrow. Click the plus sign to add your bill of lading. Then click Scan Document. Take a picture of your BOL. Click the arrow. Click Additional Documents. Click the plus sign next to Invoice. Click the Scan Document. Then take your picture. Click the arrow. Then Continue. Type in the broker or shipper you are trying to factor. Type in the load number from your rate sheet. Then type in the load rate including any charges and/or deductions. Type the invoice number. Then click Continue. Choose your payment method. Then click Continue. Type in any notes, then click Continue. Click Send. You're all set.